Hi guys, so today we're just learning something super quick. We are writing inequalities from graph. So based on each of these graphs, we should be able to tell whether it's an and or an or inequality. Okay, so this here, note that they're going in opposite directions. This I know is an or inequality. Okay. This, note that it's shaded in the middle of these two. This I know is an and inequality. So here, let's figure out what this is. So here, this is -5. Okay. And here we're going to the left. Okay, so that means x has to be less than that -5. And because this is a closed circle, it means it includes that -5. And so that means it could be equal to as well. Okay. Here on this side, we're going to the right, so that means it is greater than. It is a closed circle, which means it includes this number 3. And since everything is shaded to the right of 3, x is greater than or equal to 3. So let's do this one. Okay, so here in this one, this is an and inequality, right? Part of it was going this way, part of it is going this way, and because we want the and inequality, we wanted where they overlapped. Okay. So we can write it separately or together. Okay, so here it could be x is greater than -7. Okay, I didn't put the equal to because it's an open circle. And then on this side, it is x is less than or equal to 0. Okay, equal to because of closed circle, and then here moving to the left. Okay. So this is one way to write it separately, or we can combine them where we want everything between 0 and, we want everything between 0 and -7. -7 is my lowest number, 0 is my biggest number. And note, because 0 is that closed circle, it will have the equal to. Right, so for and inequalities, we can separate them into two, or we can write them as a single one, which better shows us the relationship that this value is between these two numbers. Okay? So I'm going to have you do this one. First, is this an and inequality or an or inequality? Okay, this is an and inequality based on how it's shaded, that it's shaded in between two values. Okay, so I'm going to first have you write it separately. So can you write the inequality into two separate inequalities like I did here? Okay, if we were to split it up, it would be x is greater than -4 and x is less than 9. Now can you write it into a single inequality that shows the relationship between these two extremes? Okay, and what you should have here is that our x values, everything, our solution set, which is shaded in between, is between -4 and 9. Okay, none of them, because it's an open circle, none of them are equal to. And then here is the last one. First, tell me, is this an and inequality or an or inequality? This is an or inequality since they're going in opposite directions like that. Okay, so now can you give me each part of the or inequality? Okay, and this is what you should have gotten. So here, x is less than or equal to -8 because it's moving this way. Because it's a closed circle, it is equal to, it includes -8 as part of its answer. Okay. Here, starts at -3, goes to the right, so it's greater than -3. And because it's an open circle, -3 is not part of the solution. Okay, that's it for today. Have a great rest of the day. Bye, guys. Okay, and that's it for today. Have a great rest of the day. Bye, guys.